Important information to share. The fight that Ripple is waging against the SEC has the support of the European Union. According to a report that was recently released by the European Securities and Markets Authority, XRP continues to maintain a high trading volume despite the fact that its market cap is decreasing. According to the European Securities and Markets Authority (ESMA), XRP has maintained a high level of trading activity, which indicates that market confidence is high. For Ripple, this assistance from the EU has the potential to completely transform everything and increase its chances of winning in terms of triumph over the SEC. Remember that you should subscribe, like, and share this post. Now, let's get started. Let's begin with some recent news that has just come to light. From now, the 22nd of May, 2023 until then, the White House intends to collaborate with Congress on the development of a set of regulations for digital assets. XRP is going to flourish in the year 2024. The administration, as we can see, has expressed a desire to collaborate with Congress in order to ensure that digital assets are regulated in a manner that is both comprehensive and equitable, thereby expanding upon the powers that are already applicable, which will help the United States maintain its position as the world's financial leader while also encouraging the growth of digital assets and new payment methods in a responsible manner for the financial sector. According to recent reports, the White House is interested in collaborating with Congress to develop a set of regulations for digital assets in S. According to attorney Stuart Alderati, Gensler overplayed his hand because he believed that cryptocurrency would be simple to target and the fact that he enjoyed playing the role of the villain that everyone loved to hate. He had the misconception that he was exempt from being observed by Congress, but now everything is over. It is now a significant issue in the political arena. Last week, there was a 35% increase in the number of people searching for Ripple on Google. Every single day, an increasing number of people become aware of XRP and the way it operates. This is a brief daily update on XRP for those of you who are interested. As was mentioned, there was a pause in the weekly schedule that we were discussing. I made a more compact structure consisting of 5 waves so that I could see the levels in greater detail. It's a positive sign that XRP is trading above 50% and is following the orange line of the RSI trend. Following the official announcement of the break, we anticipate that the price will be higher than the Humuko clouds. This will allow us to discuss additional bullish patterns. Backs up in the amount of 58.8 cents, 68 cents, 90 cents, and $1.21 backs up in the amount of 52.5 cents and 51.2 cents. There will be a test of 58 cents for XRP in a few days. Have a good time. XRP is said to have been included in this significant metric, according to reports coming from the European Union. A new report that was released by the European Securities and Markets Authority reveals an intriguing pattern that has been observed in the world of cryptocurrency trading. XRP's market capabilities and trading volume are not the same, according to a report that was published in April 2024 by the Economic, Financial Stability and Risk Department of the EU Securities and Exchange Commission (ESA). At the end of the year 2023, XRP's market share fell behind that of Solana and BB. According to the data provided by the ESMA, digital asset maintained a trading volume that was surprisingly high in comparison to these other competitors. The European Securities and Markets Authority ESMA report focused primarily on the impact that social media has on the trading of cryptocurrencies. The information regarding the top 10 cryptocurrencies in terms of market cap and trading volume as of October 25 was examined by the government agency. It can be concluded from these figures that the trading volume of XRP remained robust throughout the entire fourth quarter of 2024. Despite the fact that the Solana and USDC had already become one of the top 10, it was still passed. As the market capitalization shifts, XRP falls further behind Solana and BNB. As a result of this significant increase in price, Solana was on the verge of surpassing XRP in terms of market value by the 8th of December, 2023. With a market value of $30.06 billion at that time, Solana was ranked 6th and XRP was ranked 7th with a value of $34.4 billion. Both of these cryptocurrencies were ranked at that time. According to a report published by TimesTablade, by the 21st of December in 2023, Solana had surpassed XRP in terms of market cap, thereby elevating it to the 6th position. Despite the fact that the market cap ranking was altered, the EMA report demonstrates that XRP continued to have significant trading volumes throughout this period of time. By using data from CoinMarketCap and Kaiko, the European Securities and Markets Authority ESMA predicted that by October 25, 2024, 127 billion XRP would be traded annually. In this particular metric, the only cryptocurrencies that had a higher trading volume than XRP were the market leaders Bitcoin and Ethereum, as well as the stablecoins CZT and USDC. Every year, this volume accounted for 2% of the total volume of trading that took place on the cryptocurrency market. A staggering 127 billion XRP was traded annually, which is a number that is many times greater than the sum of Solana and BNB. Despite the fact that there was a greater amount of trading activity during the fourth quarter, the price performance of XRP was significantly lower than that of its competitors during the same time frame. Despite the fact that XRP was able to regain its 19.5% gain, BNB went up by 45% and Solana went up by an astounding 376%. The next case is Ripple vs. SAC, which is still being fought as of May 22, 2024. This case is yet to be resolved. In the ongoing legal dispute between Ripple and the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, the situation is deteriorating. As of late, the SAC has submitted a new case, which assumes that the Ripple has moved to seal the document. Due to the fact that it has the potential to eliminate some evidence regarding potential solutions, the move may have significant repercussions for both sides of the case. It is in the best interest of the general public for the Securities and Exchange Commission to advocate for transparency. The Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) has decided not to seal this information because they believe that it ought to be accessible to the general public and transparent. The actions that Ripple took to conceal financial reports, information on XRP sales to institutions after the lawsuit was filed, and other sensitive information are allegedly illegal, according to those who have made the claim. According to the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC), this information is of utmost significance in determining the appropriate solutions for the case, such as disgorgement, injunctive relief, and the amount of the penalty, which the SEC believes ought to be $2 billion. According to the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC), the public must be able to view information regarding Ripple's current assets, recent XRP sales numbers, as well as revenues and expenses. This is necessary in order for the court to make informed decisions regarding potential fines. Offered to a subset of institutional investors is imperative for determining the extent of the potential damage that could be inflicted upon investors. Ripple's assertion that making the information public would result in a great deal of damage is another one with which the SEC does not agree. They claim that the information that is being requested is not particularly recent or confidential, and that some of it may already be available to the general public. In addition, the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) asserts that the fact that this court has previously sealed documents does not necessarily imply that this motion will be granted. There may be something that Ripple needs to disclose. An attorney named Bill Morgan, who is in favor of XRP, is of the opinion that Ripple will most likely be unsuccessful in its attempt to conceal the private financial information. According to the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC), the discounted sales to institutions did not constitute Ripple's on-demand liquidity.